Hey everyone, welcome to Bali. I'm Trevor with Balitecture. We specialize in villa development here in Bali. To show you what makes Bali so special and the Bali villa so unique and amazing, we're taking you on a tour of some of the most insane luxury villas that Bali has to offer. And today, I'm in front of Villa Vedas here in Tabanan, Bali. This pool, I think we're gonna do the most epic pool test we've ever done, possibly from the second level here. So make sure and stick around through the rest of the video to check it out. Before we get started, make sure and like and subscribe for future videos. Let me show you around. This place has got some amazing stuff. All right, so we're starting out here in the courtyard area. Villa Vedas is set up with 8 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, holding between 16 and 21 people total. They can expand the bedrooms a bit. We've got the main villa house on the beachfront here, and then in the back, we also have a 3-bedroom bungalow. So let's go ahead and just walk through. It's pretty impressive from both sides, so follow me. All right, so follow me, guys. We've got a koi pond entrance, so watch your step. With some pretty big fish in here, actually, which is cool. This place is amazing. So we've got a staircase that comes down, hung by these brass rods. Massive staircase. I noticed 2 things right away. The staircase held on by these brass rods, and then this epic pool that goes right out to the ocean. So you can see the focal point is directed to the waves in the water. So now I know that they also do a welcome juice drink and a washcloth. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the bar. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much. And what is this today? Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, thank you so much. So where to begin? Guys, this place is so big. It's so massive. It's so stylish. There's so much to look at. I kind of just want to sit. Check this out. We've got glass everywhere. Got glass on all sides. So I mean, this is the best view I've ever gotten from a villa in Bali. Easily, this is it. You have just panoramic views of the ocean, high ceilings with the bamboo. I love the way that they've done this bed where you've got like a mosquito net that can come down here. We've got the hand carvings on the backboard. This bathroom is pretty straightforward. Huge tub. It's got another giant marble carved tub, and then another one of these massive rain cloud shower heads, as I'll call it. And I like this little the seating area. The chill chair. So all right, so we're on the beach here, just 2 steps and we're basically in the water almost. So this is you've got your own private beach out here. There's nobody out here. You've got no neighbors, so this is all yours. We've got the black sand, which is common to this area. Look at this entranceway, like walking up to this, it's just so grand. It's a little breezy, hopefully you guys can hear me. But so there's 2 pools and they're pretty deep as well. So I think 1.5 meters, and then I think a 2.5 meter or so here. These pools are huge, easily 30 meters long. Day beds, beanbag chairs, I mean, tons of space for a big party. A wedding party out here has plenty of space. And I just love these stone pillars next to the hand carvings here. I feel like I'm in like an Indiana Jones movie all of a sudden. So, wow, check out this view, guys. There are no neighbors here. So when you're at this villa, you can have as crazy of a party as you want, throw a big wedding and not worry about bothering the neighbors because there's no neighbors, there's amazing scenery. Holy cow. Wow, this place is unreal. What to even look at first? We have a jacuzzi pool right here that's in between the bedrooms. So what I noticed is we're surrounded with glass and then just really lovely wood. And then, I love the mix of traditional and modern elements here, the glass and the stonework. But then we've got, check these out on the ceiling, these goose carvings hanging down from the brass rods again. And then with the bamboo on the ceiling is just an amazing design element. So this pool, holy cow. it's not hot. It's not a hot tub, but that's like, you know, you got your own pool. It's checking, you know, looking out over the ocean. That's insane. So it looks like you also have a his and hers walk-in closet with tons of space, and man, this is just, it's so high-end. The furnishings, the materials are just really, really high quality. It's got a nice echo factor. So look at this stone, this carved tub. Holy cow, look at that. One big block. I mean, that really gives you that nice sense of texture that I'm starting to notice through here too, is this kind of like, you know, contrast between the smooth tile and the rough stone. And we see that here in the tub too. So we've got it carved out with the marble. Man, that's really impressive. And then a massive shower head. This has got to be the biggest shower head I've ever seen. I got to turn this thing on. Yeah, you got like your own mini rain cloud over you in this shower. A happy rain cloud. And then we've also got a balcony back here. So balcony opens up, look at that. Oh, I love it. Double sliding doors when you only pull one. And as I'm coming back down the stairs here, I hear the ocean coming in again. It's just this amazing feeling. But I want you to notice the stained glass on the ceiling. I love it. It just gives, you know, that added element that there's nature all around you. So we see plants, but then we also see some design coming through. All right, so this is bedroom number 2 of 3 on this top level here. It looks like the design's pretty similar. So we've got a similar bathroom with this massive marble carved stone tub. Doesn't look like we have the wraparound balcony, but very, very similar dual sinks here, as well as the same type of shower. So let's head on through. We still have an access balcony area, so you still can be outside. And then check this, I like this, where you've got the stairs up to this pool, right? And then this desk area, I love it. I just wanna like sit here for a while. Wow, I love that sense of space where there's just levels. You know, anytime there's levels incorporated, I think is really awesome. I also noticed like how they've built this, you know, I always like looking at views in certain angles, and like the lines that we get, you know, the way that they have the roofs going down with plants and stuff, there's just so much texture and style and glass, like you're just hit with this nice mix of design. And look at this koi pond with the figurines built into the wall here. Just like the master bedroom, this one has full glass surrounding it. But you know, I'm noticing that there's no handles on these doors. So there's a lot of fingerprints getting left behind. I'm curious what you think. Would that bother you or not? I'm a little, I'd feel like I have to wipe these off everywhere I go. But God, the space, this is huge. I mean, this bedroom, even though it's not a master bedroom, we still have one of the best views you can ever get. You see the double pools here, and then and it's massive. So there's a lot of space here, walk-in closets, and then let's check out this bathroom. And wow, you know, I think this is my favorite bathroom yet. Completely different, right? So the others upstairs had the marble. This tub area is really, really amazing. Look at that, like the hand carved in between the tiles, and then a big tub. All right, so we've got one more bedroom I'd like to check out. You know, I didn't notice this little closet, and I think that this closet was only made to play hide and seek in because there's nothing in it and it's really small. So that's where you play hide and seek at. It's a good spot. Follow me outside. We'll head to this other bedroom. We'll take a look at the kitchen in a second, but we're heading around to this final 5th bedroom. In this main house area, I have to comment again on these stairs. These stairs are so amazing. Gotta really get a good view of the intricacies on here. We do have a lounge area here, obviously set up appropriately to fit a lot of people. You know, this villa was made for a high volume of people. We've got a lounge and seating area here, and then a pool table as well. So, you know, there's a separate media room which features the TV, but this is, you know, the game area and lounge area. So if you follow me past the game place, something else I need to point out is that all of the artwork here was done by the villa owner herself. So some incredible artwork that I thought that was really special, that she actually did the art herself. So. It's a similar style, similar style of bed frame and woodwork and materials used in here. Got the marble floors. I like how this opens up to the courtyard, so you get tons of light. Yeah, the bathroom in here is similar setup to the other ones with the massive stone, massive marble carved bathtub, and then double sinks. So, set out, check out the kitchen and dining area. We're heading over here to probably the biggest stone dining table I've seen yet. Love how the wood is inlaid into the concrete here. We've got a place where, a big wedding party would be very comfortable sitting. And then back here we've got a media room, which has the only TV in the villa. So we've got a smart TV, but look at this little hangout area and this hand-carved wood. Wow, check this out. That goes all the way up. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, not the squishiest couch I've sat on, but hey, not bad. So, the media room is a place to gather for sure, but I think there's a reason why there's only one TV in this place, is because you have the best TV ever, right there, looking out at the beach. Now this is some of the larger villas have more of an industrial kitchen just for function. This one's designer. This one really looks nice, as well as has big capacity function with, as usual, full staff, full dedicated staff to cook whatever you want. I want to point out one more thing. This villa is so classy and so well designed and so designer, and I love the traditional stuff, but man, this place has some party to it also. Look at this. I didn't even notice this. We have a skylight that goes up to the pool between the bedrooms upstairs. Now, if you hit a button, it will go opaque. It'll fog over so you can't see up there. So if you're skinny dipping, make sure and hit that button or don't, whatever. But that's pretty gangster, I think, is the only word I can find for that. That's so rad. Well, it's pretty sunny today, but there's a nice breeze, and we've got this amazing stone pavilion dining area over here. This is, there's designs printed at the top. We've got the pillars on the side, and a really nice spot to have a lunch. Yeah, so apparently we can jump off this. Sorry, Mom, but it's gonna happen right now, so I'll just be very careful to make the biggest splash that I can possibly make, and let's all hope that this goes well. So, okay, try it. Well, that was easily the most fun pool jump I've done on a villa yet. I don't know how that splash was. It felt kind of weak, but let me know your splash score down in the comments below. But I think that does it for Villa Vedas. A huge thank you to the Lux Nomad again for letting us tour this incredible villa. We've left a link below where you can contact them for some more information if you'd like to book Villa Vedas. And if you're looking for more information on villa development or investments, we can help you out with that there. We've got a link below for you, so you can contact us at Balitecture. So I think that does it. This was a great villa. I think probably one of my favorites so far. So, we hope to see you again. Make sure and like and subscribe for future villa tour videos. I'm Trevor Hawley here in Bali, and we'll see you again. Thanks.